Dear students, I am as usual with you. Welcome to my class. You know, I have completed the first part of the chapter, algebraic fractions. Now today I am going to start the last part of this chapter. So let's see what are the problems here. Today we try to discuss exercise 5.2, multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. So at first we want to discuss multiplication of fractions. By multiplying two or more fractions, we can also get a fractions. Its numerator is equal to the product of the numerators of two or more fractions, and the denominator is equal to the product of their denominators. Example, a by b, c by d. Two fractions, first fraction multiplied by the second fraction. We just multiply the numerators and now the denominators. Sometimes like this, it may be converted into smallest form. Here the numerator and denominators are changed. This is cancelled, bb, we get new fraction. This is the example of multiplication of fractions. Now we try to solve some problems related to multiplication of fractions. 13f, 1b square 1 plus x 1 minus x square b plus b square into 1 plus 1 minus x by x. Three fractions. Actually in our textbook comma used here. I am writing indirectly the multiplications of fractions. Here three fractions with multiplication given. Now we can write actually this one, 1 square b square 1 plus x. This is actually we can write 1 square x square. Here b common 1 plus b we can write. Here 1 plus now we do LCM here x. Now we multiplied x multiplied with 1, we get x, and here this is same, we divide by x we get 1. So we 1 multiplied with 1 minus x, actually we get 1 minus x. Now this is a square b square formula. We can write 1 plus b 1 minus b. We know actually this one, 1 plus x, and here same thing, 1 plus x 1 minus x, and here 1 plus b, and this is x cancel, we can write 1 by x. So check here, this is cancel, 1 plus x 1 plus x, same thing, this is also same. Here remaining 1 minus b 1 minus x and bx. This is the answer, smallest form. Three fractions given, we multiply these three one, some fractions, some factors are cancelled. Finally we get 1 minus x 1 minus b 1 minus x by bx. This is our answer. Now we try to solve another one. I number, multiplication x cube y cube plus 3xy x plus y a plus b whole cube, multiplication a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b x square minus y square, and finally this one x minus y whole square x plus y whole square. Now you see here x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This is directly formula. We can write easily here x plus y whole cube, we know actually, and this is a plus b whole cube given. Now next line, this is same thing, we can write a plus b whole cube, and here x plus y x minus y we can write, because this is a square b square, we know this is like a square b square formula. We can use here a plus b a minus b, here x plus y x minus y. Now x minus y whole square given, we can write like this way, x minus y 2 times, and here same thing. Now this is cancel, same thing, and this one x minus y cancel, x minus y cancel, and x plus y how many times here? 3 times. This is also x plus y whole cube, here x plus y 3 times given, so this is also cancel, and remaining here only x minus y. In next line we try to cancel this one. We can write like this one, 3 times of x plus y, and x minus y here given, and in our next line x plus y and x plus y, so these 3 cancel, same factor in the numerator and denominator, so remaining here x minus y. This is our answer. I think, hope all of you clear. This is very easy, only we use here the formula. If you know the formula clearly, you can solve this problem very easily. This is very easy chapter, not difficult one. Now we try to solve, at first discuss multiplication of fractions, division of fractions, and then solve related problems. What is division of fraction? Division of fraction, division of one fraction by another fraction means multiplication of first fraction by the inverse of the second fraction. For example, x by y and division sign here, and z by c, suppose. What is the meaning of division of fractions? Division of just we multiply the first fraction with the inverse of the second fractions, and z by c given, now we just write c by z. This is the inverse of the opposite of this fraction. Denominator will be numerator, numerator will be denominator. By the inverse of these fractions we multiply, then we get our desired result. This is the example. Now we try to solve some problems related to division of fractions. 15h number, a square plus b square divided by 2ab minus 1, first bracket close, division sign, a cube minus b cube divided by a minus b minus 3ab. Now we know at first we do LCM here, a square plus b square, LCM here 2ab, 2ab divided by 2ab we get 1, when multiplied this one we get same thing, and now this is the whole number, just we multiply 1 with 2ab we get 2ab, and here division sign, a cube minus b cube, LCM a minus b minus 3ab into a minus b, same thing. Now we know this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is a minus b whole square formula, and here 2ab given, 2ab. Now just multiply the first fraction with the inverse of the second fraction, a minus b, and here we can write easily this one, a minus b whole cube. Now this is actually a minus b whole square, and here a minus b whole square, so this will be a minus b whole cube, 2ab, and here a minus b whole cube. So this is same thing, so cancel, remaining 1 by 2ab. This is our desired solution. Hope all of you clear. This is very easy, not difficult one. Division of fractions. This is 15J number. Problem number 15, and sub number here J. Now we do at first here LCM AB, so LCM 2 factors here, so LCM here AB, AB divided by B we get A, and A multiplied with A we get A square, and here divided by AB divided by A we get B, and B multiplied with B we get B square, and here directly multiplied the LCM AB, and this is the division sign, here the largest factor B square, so this is B square will be the LCM, and this is divide by B square divided by B square we get 1, 1 multiplied with A square we get A square, and here B square divided by B we get B, and this will be AB, and here B square. Now A square plus AB plus B square and AB, we arrange this one, nothing, multiplied, and now denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator, inverse fraction of this fraction. This is, we can write like this way actually, this is one line short, this is cancelled, same thing, here B square and here given AB, B square by AB, so it will be B by A. This is our answer. This is very easy, not difficult one. Hope all of you clear. Thanks to view my class, and again thanks to pass time with my class. Best of luck. Thanks everybody.